First of all, open the CapCut desktop app and click on the New Project option. Now, click on the Import option and import your media. Drag your media to the timeline panel and adjust the video size according to your preference by choosing the Crop option or the Scale option, which is located above right. These options are used to perform different tasks, like splitting the footage, deleting, or cropping the footage according to your requirements. On the right, in the basic options below the scale, there is an option for uniform scale where you can adjust the position and rotation and alignment. After that, you are able to use the blend option where you can manage the opacity of the footage. Now you can see different options here, like the stabilize option, noise reduction, and many more. You can use them according to your requirements. After the basic options, there is a cutout option where you can perform a very advanced and unique function. You will easily remove the video background by selecting the auto cutout option. There is also a chroma key option where you can use it to easily remove a green screen. Now you can see here that the video background has been removed successfully. Adjust the desired footage behind the background according to your requirements. After the cutout option, we move to the mask option, which is very easy to use compared to other software. By using that, you will get an advanced level for your video. You will set things here according to your preferences. Now, you can choose the Enhance option to make your face look more beautiful by choosing the Smooth and Brightening options according to your face by clicking on the Face option in Enhance. Then you can choose the Facial Beauty option. Here you can adjust your eyes, face, nose, mouth, and eyebrows. Even then, you can choose the Makeup option and the Body option, where you will adjust body parts like legs, head, waist, etc. That is a mind-blowing option. Now you can select the Audio option to adjust the volume. For that, you will need to extract the audio from the footage. To extract the audio, you will select the footage and press the right mouse button and then choose the Extract option. Then you can do audio editing according to your requirements. Here, there are options like loudness normalization, voice enhancement, noise reduction, and many more. Use them wisely according to your settings. You can also use the voice changer option to make your video more attractive. After that, you are also able to use the animation option by adjusting the duration, where you will use this option along with many other options like how you want your animation to start and end. Now let's explore the upper left corner of the software interface, where you'll find text, stickers, effects, transitions, filters, and adjustments. Within the text option on the software's upper left corner, you'll find a variety of font styles and advanced settings to customize your text to your needs. The text options in the software's upper left corner offer a vast array of font styles, text colors, and advanced settings to let you customize your text precisely. Now, explore the sticker option in the software's upper left corner to add personality to your video with emojis and thematic stickers. The Effects option boasts a treasure trove of tools to enhance your video's aesthetics, allowing you to tailor them to your specific needs. For a professional touch, explore the Transitions option and choose transitions that complement your video's style. Don't forget to add sound effects that seamlessly match the transition for an even more polished look.
Incredible as well. Incredible as well.
Head to the Filters option. Here, you can select and fine-tune a filter that perfectly complements your footage, adding that extra touch to elevate your video's look. For the finishing touch, explore the Adjustments option, upper left corner. This is where the magic happens. Unleash your inner colorist and use the tools to achieve professional-grade color grading for your video. The Speed option to adjust the playback speed of specific sections in your video, tailoring the pace to your needs. Want to see more editing tutorials? Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload.